Welcome to Trivia Fusion, where we uncover the hidden wonders of the world around us. Today, we're diving deep into the plant kingdom with 30 incredible facts that most people don't know. Did you know that bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth, capable of growing up to 35 inches in a single day? Some plants, like the Venus flytrap, are carnivorous and can eat small insects to obtain nutrients. Plants like the giant sequoia are among the oldest living organisms on the planet, with some trees over 3,000 years old. Here's an amazing fact. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the nickname the lungs of the earth. Plants can communicate with each other using chemical signals. For instance, some plants release chemicals to warn nearby plants of pest attacks. The world's largest flower, the Rafflesia arnoldii, can grow up to 3 feet in diameter and emits a smell similar to rotting flesh to attract pollinators. Some trees, like the quaking aspen, can clone themselves, creating vast forests from a single root system. Interestingly, over 80% of the Earth's terrestrial plants are flowering plants, known as angiosperms. The tallest tree in the world, a coast redwood named Hyperion, stands at over 379 feet tall. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, is the foundation of most life on Earth. Certain plants, like sunflowers, exhibit heliotropism, moving their heads to follow the sun's path across the sky. Some desert plants can survive years without water by going into a dormant state. The cacao tree, from which chocolate is made, produces seeds that were once used as currency by the ancient Maya. Here's a fun fact. Bananas are technically berries, while strawberries are not. Plants have been shown to have a kind of memory, with some species adapting to changes in their environment over time. The world's smallest flowering plant is Wolffia globosa, or watermeal, which is about the size of a grain of rice. Many plants, like lavender and peppermint, have natural insect repellent properties. Bamboo can absorb more carbon dioxide and produce more oxygen than an equivalent stand of trees. Some plants, such as the resurrection plant, can dry out completely and then revive when water is available. The baobab tree, known as the tree of life, can store thousands of liters of water in its trunk to survive droughts. The dragon's blood tree produces a red sap that has been used for centuries for medicinal and dye purposes. Some plants, like the touch-me-not, Mimosa pudica, can move rapidly in response to touch. The roots of a plant can grow towards water, a phenomenon known as hydrotropism. Certain orchids can mimic the appearance and scent of female insects to attract male pollinators. The Amazon rainforest is home to more than 400 billion individual trees representing 16,000 species. Plants can improve indoor air quality by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. Some plants, like the sensitive plant, can move their leaves when touched, providing a visual response to stimuli. A single tree can absorb as much carbon in a year as a car produces while driving 26,000 miles. The world's heaviest living organism is a grove of quaking aspens in Utah, connected by a single root system and weighing around 6,000 tons. Plants use a process called transpiration to release water vapor into the air, which helps to cool the environment and contributes to the water cycle. The cacao tree, from which chocolate is made, has flowers that can only be pollinated by a specific type of midge. Some plants can produce natural antibiotics to protect themselves from infections. Algae, a simple plant-like organism, produces more than half of the world's oxygen. The scent of freshly cut grass is a plant distress call, a chemical signal released to warn other plants of injury. These facts highlight just how complex and fascinating the plant kingdom is. From the towering heights of redwoods to the minute size of watermeal, each plant contributes to the richness of life on Earth. Stay tuned for more surprising insights every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for your dose of awesome facts.